Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add description on YouTube Shorts while uploading. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open YouTube and click on right corner your profile and click on your videos and click on videos, only videos, and click on shorts. Only shorts, and search your shorts and click on your shorts and three dots and click on edit, open menu and click on add description and click on and write a new description or change all description. Alright, and click on return and click on back, and this your write new description and click on save right corner, and that's all.